Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this circular shelf using 2 hula hoops. I started by spray painting the 2 hula hoops to cover the bright colors and make it more aesthetic. I gave each hoop 2 coats of the spray paint, ensuring that every part was covered. I then put the hoops in the sun to dry for a few minutes before proceeding to the next step. I approximated where I wanted the 2 shelves to be and took the measurement for that, which I found to be 23 inches. I then measured and cut out the 2 pieces from a piece of 1-inch thick wood that I had. I aligned the 2 pieces of wood with the first hula hoop, marked the 4 points, then pre-drilled holes into both the hula hoop and the pieces of wood where the screws would go in. Then I screwed them together. Flipped it over and placed the second hula hoop on the pieces of wood and repeated the process of pre-drilling and screwing them together. I would have left it like this, but I felt like being extra, so I decided to paint it. Taped up the wood to create a random abstract pattern and then painted over it. I then removed the tape, left it to dry for 30 minutes, and then placed my accessories, and I was done. I really love how this project turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you do attempt to do this DIY, please be sure to DM me or to tag me on your post. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!